The 2025 Audi A5 Sedan and S5 Avant arrive with style, performance, and advanced features that redefine the brand's mid-size lineup. The Audi A5 Sedan offers a bold, liftback design and enhanced interior space thanks to a longer wheelbase. Under the hood, a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine powers this sedan, producing 268 horsepower through Audi's signature all-wheel drive system. The S5 Avant, a sporty yet practical wagon, houses a more powerful 3.0-liter V6 engine generating 362 horsepower. Inside, both models include Audi's latest panoramic curved display and a range of high-tech options. Expected in the United States by mid-2025, these models blend style, luxury, and cutting-edge technology.